Welcome to our Graduation Regalia tutorial video. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of wearing your graduation regalia for a master level degree program. Whether you're a graduating student, a proud family member, or just curious about the attire, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Dress code. Underneath your graduation regalia, it is recommended to wear business casual or formal attire. This is an important event, and dressing appropriately adds to the significance of the occasion. Step 2. Gown. The master's gown has long, flowing sleeves that extend to the wrist. Begin by holding your gown with the front facing you. Slide your arms through the sleeves of the gown. Adjust the gown so that it falls evenly down the front and back of your body. Step 3. Cap. Place the cap on your head with the front point centered on your forehead. Ensure the cap fits comfortably and securely. The back should be flat and level. Step 4. Tassel. Before the ceremony, the tassel should be on the right side of the cap. During the ceremony, when directed, move the tassel to the left side of the cap to signify your graduation. Step 5. Hood. The hood for business administration graduates is drab in color, symbolizing your field of study, and blue, which represents your institution's color. The hood should be draped over your shoulder with the velvet side facing outward, allowing the school color blue to show prominently. The drab color for business administration should be visible inside the hood. Hold the hood with the velvet side, drab, facing outward and the narrow end pointing down. Place the hood around your neck with the velvet drab side up, letting it drape down your back. Secure the hood by attaching the loop or button on the hood to a button or hook on your gown. And there you have it. You're dressed and ready to go. Congratulations on reaching this milestone in your academic journey.